When kids are confusing G and J, I like to do a few things. One of the things I like to do is bring in a keyword. Keywords will help them remember the sound for each. So if I had a student who was struggling between G and J, what I would do is I would introduce and do a lesson in hard G. So G, gum, G. That's how I would introduce it. Okay, everybody, today we're going to talk about the letter G. So G makes the sound G, G. Put your hand here. Can you feel that vibration? G, G. And it sounds like the sound is coming from the back of our throat. And sometimes I'll bring in a mirror and have my students actually look at the mirror and say G, G. Oh, your mouth is open and you can feel that sound coming from the back of your throat. G, G. Awesome. And then what I do is I have them take 2 fingers and use something multisensory. Okay, take something multisensory, and what I want all of you to is copy me, okay? And you're gonna go say G, gum, G. Okay, we're gonna do it 3 times, 2 fingers. G, gum, G. Good job. G, gum, G. You can feel that, can't you? G. That sound is coming from the back of your throat. So sometimes when students are really struggling with this and grasping this concept, I'll use something that feels like gum. So like the putty, and I'll have them go in here and actually go G, gum, G, and draw the G in here while saying it 3 times, just to help them make that connection a little better. What our hand does, our brain remembers, and that's why I'm having them trace it, okay? I also like to just put this gum here just to really like give them another clue that the keyword is gum, G, G. So if I say the keyword, it will clue them into what is the sound? G, G, okay? So then when I'm introducing J, J is tricky, just like G is tricky. When I'm introducing J, I'll teach them the keyword jump. So I say to them, okay, this is the letter J, and it says J. So I want you to repeat after me. J, jump, J. Okay, and then I'll give them something multisensory, piece of felt paper, and ready? I want you to take 2 fingers and write the letter J and say J, jump, J. Okay, let's do that 3 times. J, jump, J. Good job. J, jump, J. And then I have this little mini trampoline, and sometimes I'll have my students go like this. J, jump, J, and then jump their little fingers on there. So that key word of jump helps them hear the J sound. And the key word of gum helps them hear the G sound. And when I'm introducing the letter J, I will also use a mirror and have them listen to the sound and look at what their mouth is doing. J, J. Okay, so their mouth is open, but it's different than the G, G, G. It's from the back of their throat, and J, J. Their teeth are touching. J, J. And it's a different mouth movement. J, J, J. So their teeth are together and the air flow feels different. So just getting them to look in the mirror and just see what their mouth is doing. J, J. And then see the difference. G, 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 G. Okay, but for the letter J, their teeth are touching. J, J, right? So the articulation using a mirror can help them feel the difference. Then what I would do is have them do some word sorts with hard G and J to help them apply the skills I've taught them so that they can see the difference. So I would have them do some reading with the G and then reading with the J to help them see the difference.